In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text animation on CapCut PC. So first, example purpose, I input an video from my computer. Example purpose, this is my video. So just drag and drop on timeline. So if I want to add a heading, this is only for example purpose. Just click on text. So here is lots of text, lots of effects, or text template, etc. etc. have on your here. Then I want to add default. Okay, I need to more smaller. Then here are type example purpose. I write here my name. Okay, so I need to change its color, so red. Okay, this is only for example purpose. So how to animate, right? So first you need to select text, then going on here this is animation. So here's lots of free and paid animation available here. You can add anyone. The purpose, if I click on this one, then if I playing this video first, to show you how to download a video because it's already animated. If I going to change is to another one, then if I play to show you how to download, it's working really good. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.